Welcome to Seattle Organic SEO's YouTube channel. Today we're going to answer a question that a lot of people ask us if they've searched for us via two of our top phrases that we show up for organically. For over 10 years, after we started our agency in 2010, we immediately shot up to number one for two key phrases which we targeted and frankly have dominated in the Seattle area for most of those years. And honestly, it's not easy to do that. And frankly, there's also other issues that may be at play when it comes to highlighting that success. But these phrases are basically Seattle SEO, which you can see here organically we are number one in the local pack, and also SEO Seattle, which again, you see we're number one. And so this has definitely not been as, I guess, simple as people might think, because first off, we're competing against other SEO companies, which are the most difficult to challenge us, or they're the most difficult to fight against when it comes to search engine optimization, obviously. And again, the question is, how have we been able to do it? So we've talked about this quite a bit publicly and also with a lot of our clients, but there are two major factors that always dominate SEO. And then there's also other issues that are at stake when it comes to search engine optimization. The first one is, or you can argue one or the other. We know that one seems to drive quite a bit, but it also kind of depends on the vertical. But if you know SEO, you would realize that on-page SEO factors, like basically what things are controlled by your website, are a lot of what necessarily affects what's going on. And then also off-page SEO, which include backlinks or links to your website from a lot of different sources. So those are the two things that we've done a very good job of controlling. And frankly, these are two of the main reasons why we continue to stay at the top. And these are the things that we typically try to help our clients in terms of making sure that they rise to the top or at least garner a significant amount of visibility. So for example, let's say you're a dentist in perhaps, let's say LA. And so you are wanting to show up for dentists near me. So I did a quick search here in the LA area while we are here, and you can see that, you know, a couple show up, the Sawtelle Family Dental, and then also Trident Cosmetic Family Dental. And then this other gentleman, this Dr. Kawaguchi DDS. You will notice that these frankly can generate different forms of traffic. So frankly, you know, Sawtelle Family Dental did very well at one point, which may have driven them to be number one, at least here in the local area. But you can see that with the Trident Dentistry that does show up number two, frankly, there are a lot of factors locally that, you know, allow them to show up here near us, but also in other areas throughout LA, which you can see they are ranked currently around third position in Dentist Los Angeles. So frankly, there are a lot of benefits that you can take advantage of. And also, these are the things that perhaps drive these websites to get this organic benefit. And honestly, if you look at the top websites that exist out there in terms of organic benefits, you will notice that there are significant amounts of organic traffic that go to these sites. You know, Amazon, obviously, or Wikipedia, and many other sites that here are in the top sites that are organically ranked in the world. And so there are many potential benefits, but today we're not talking about all of those, but we are highlighting again why Seattle Organic SEO is still number one for terms like SEO Seattle and Seattle SEO, which are online SEO factors and offline SEO factors. If you're curious what this means and how we can do it for you, let us know. Email us at hello@seattleorganicseo.com or give us a call after searching for our brand. You can always do that, Seattle Organic SEO, and you will be able to get our information here, either our website or, you know, messaging us through a call. So feel free to leave us a voicemail. We are sometimes a little bit busy, but just wanted to make sure you knew why we still dominate those two main phrases for basically Seattle SEO agencies.